A glass tumbler having inner depth of 17.5 cm is kept on a table. A student starts pouring water mu is equal to 4 by 3 into it while looking at the surface of water from above. When he feels that the tumbler is half filled, he stops pouring water. Up to what height the tumbler is actually filled? 1. 11.7 cm, 2. 10 cm, 3. 7.75 cm, and 4. 8.75 cm. So we are given a glass tumbler in which some height h is filled with water which has refractive index mu w is equal to 4 by 3, and for air it would be 1. Now the height not filled would be 17.5 minus h because the total height of the tumbler is 17.5 centimeter. It is given. We are asked to find the real height to which the tumbler is filled, h. But apparently the student thought that the water was filled to half. So with that information, let us find h. So to find the height of the water observed by the observer, height observer, it is equal to h, this real height, that is real height, and height observed means apparent height, divided by mu water, that is 4 by 3. So it is equal to 3h by 4. And if the person thought that it was correctly half, that means height of air observed and height of water observed will be the same. Since air, there is no apparent height like feeling like, so that means the real air height, that is 17.5 minus h, is same as 3h by 4. That's what the observer thought. That's why the student stopped filling the water. Now you can do the further simplification and find h. So we have 4 into 17.5, 70 minus 4h is equal to 3h. So 70 is equal to 3h plus 4h, 7h. So we'll get h as 70 by 7, 10 centimeter, which is our option 2.